How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be checking out this window tint kit as well as car wrap kit. It comes with felt squeegees and felt squeegee replacements. It comes with a craft knife, razor blades, as well as extra blades. It comes with a vinyl safe cutter, a micro squeegee for vinyl wrap tools, and it comes with a plastic pushing trim tool. Now, up close and personal, you do have this safe cutting tool. Now, the reason this is safe is because there is no exposed blade. All you have to do is put it onto your vinyl, push, and it will cut just like that. Super, super easy. It also comes with a razor blade. Very, very, very sharp. This is vinyl right here. This is a very thick vinyl. It is made by Vivid. And of those of you that know Vivid, it is one of the thicker vinyls out there. And this has no problem cutting straight through it, just like that. The reason I like this razor blade is it's kind of like a pencil. It's a lot easier to hold versus the flat style. And it does come with replacement blades inside of here as well. Come with a pushing tool so that you can tuck the vinyl into cracks and crevices, and as well as squeegee. Now the squeegees it comes with a felt one right here and more of a soft foam right here. And it comes with 2 replacements for each of those. On the other side, it is a hard plastic material, which is really useful for tucking in the vinyl wrap. So go check out this car wrap toolkit by AMZDEPOT and you will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped.